A for apple. Apple means सेव. B for ball. Ball means game.
1, 2, 3, 4.
C for cat. Cat means Billy. D for dog. Dog means kutta. E for elephant. Elephant means hathi. F for fish. Fish means machli. G for grapes. Grapes means angur. H for hen. Hen means murgi. I for ice cream. Ice cream means ice cream. J for juice. Juice means juice. K for kite. Kite means patang. L for lion. Lion means शेर. M for monkey. Monkey means bandar. N for nest. Nest means ghosla. O for orange. Orange means santra. P for papaya. Papaya means papita. Q for queen. Queen means rani. R for rabbit. Rabbit means khargosh. S for sun. Sun means suraj. T for tiger. Tiger means cheetah. U for umbrella. Umbrella means chhata. V for van. Van means gari. W for watch. Watch means घड़ी. X for Xmas tree. Xmas tree means Xmas tree. Y for yak. Yak means जंगली जैसा. Z for zebra. Zebra means zebra.